ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡು ದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ which we have done in the last class. If you have not seen the last class video, I'll leave the link here. Please do check out the last class video. We have done the otthakshara. So if you are comfortable with the previous lesson, we'll continue with this lesson. If not, I request you all to take a break, continue ಮಾಡಿ with the practice, then you can have to come to this session. Okay na? We'll start with the practices. Just give me a second. Vande nimisha. I have my list to check it out. So here we start with the basic first types of otthakshara. So I already told you in the last class, otthakshara, one more name is the samyuktakshara. So here otthakshara has two types. One is a sajāthiya. I am writing in the English because we have not learned the Kagudita. Sajāthiya otthakshara, vijātiya otthakshara. Sajāthiya, vijātiya. Sajāthiya otthakshara, vijātiya otthakshara. These are the two types of otthakshara. So in the last class we learned these are the otthakshara alva. Kage kavattu, khage kavattu, gage gavattu, and ghage ghavattu, jage gyage gnavattu alva. So when the baby letter is with the mother letter, so these are the example for sajāthiya otthakshara. When the baby is with the mother, same mother. So mother is the same, alva. So when the letters, baby letters are with the same identical letter, it's a sajāthiya otthakshara. Now I have a ka, but with the ka, the kavattu is not there. Ravattu is there. And with the ma, navattu is there. And with the ga, lavattu is there. With the sa, yavattu is there. So they are completely with the different people, alva. So this is called vijātiya otthakshara. Same sajāthiya, different vijātiya. Don't get confused with this one, because this is ta baby, this is ya baby, this is la baby, this is ra baby. This is different. This is called sajāthiya because that is the same mother. Okay na? When ta is with the sa, then it will become a vijātiya. Okay, so don't get confused with the different of the previous class. Adu bere, idu bere. Clear? Clear here, sajāthiya, vijātiya. Okay, so these are with the letters. Now we'll find out the sajāthiya otthakshara pada, vijātiya otthakshara pada. So now, akka, akka, akka. This is a pronunciation. See, akka, akka, akka. Okay na? Adhe tara. Amma, amma. This is amma. This is amma. Adhe tara. Appa, appa. Observe the pronunciation. Very important. So if you miss the otthakshara, you don't get appa. Appa. Okay? Next, adhe tara. Anna is the elder brother. Anna. 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 So this tongue tip has to touch upper pale. Anna, elder brother. Anna, cooked rice. Okay na? Both are different. Next one. Kalla and kalla. Both are different. Lage lavattu, illila. Illi kalla bandu ella. Or I can write illa. No. Okay na? So these are the words are called sajāthiya otthakshara pada because they are with the same mother. Understood? So now let's write a few words and understand this one. Okay na? So you should be very comfortable when you pronounce. Give a slight stress. Slight stress because the double time it's a repeating letters. So give a slight stress. Okay? So first letter, simple one. ಅಕ್ಕ, ಅಕ್ಕಗೆ ಕಾವತ್ತು. ಅ ಮಗೆ ಮಾವತ್ತು ಅಮ್ಮ, ಆ ಪಗೆ ಪಾವತ್ತು ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅ ನಗೆ ನಾವತ್ತು ಅಣ್ಣ, ಆ ನಗೆ ನಾವತ್ತು ಅಣ್ಣ, ಅ ಜಾಗೆ ಜಾವತ್ತು ಅಜ್ಜ, ಅ ತಾಗೆ ತಾವತ್ತು ಅತ್ತ, ಈ ನಗೆ ಲಾವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ ಲಾಗೆ ಲಾವತ್ತು ಕಳ್ಳ, ಹ ಗಾಗೆ ಗಾವತ್ತು ಹಗ್ಗ, ನಗೆ ನಾವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ, ತಾ ಮಗೆ ಮಾವತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮ. Remember, otthakshara letters, the baby letter should not come in the beginning. The same baby letter mostly, it will not come in the beginning. So it will be never like this. Baralla. Never ever write the same baby letter in the beginning. It can come with a different one, but not with the same. Different, only few letters will come in the beginning, not every letter. Okay, this we learn it later. Okay, next one, ka nage navatu da Kannada. Okay, now so this is what we learned, sajāthiya otthakshara pada. Okay, now so comfortable, easy now. Yes, so in the level 1 book you have a much more words, many words, so try practicing that also. So this is a sajāthiya otthakshara pada. So if you have a Kannada textbook, Kannada storybook, find out similar kind of a words without Naadageethe. Okay na, fine. So in the next video we'll be learning vijātiya otthakshara pada, pronunciation of that and the words of the vijātiya otthakshara pada. Okay, so practice maadi. Parents, please help children to practice this comfortably. This is very, very important, very basic. Remember, so it's a repetition of our letters. Repetition. This is a 2-letter word. Next, go with a 3-letter word. Okay, so that is available in the level 1 practice book. Please do purchase the level 1 practice book. I leave the link here and also in the description. Okay, so I'll meet you in the next video for vijātiya otthakshara pada. Thank you so much. Namaskara.